Okay, we've come to the end of the concurrent programming in Erlang MOOC. So, well done, and I wanted to say a few things about how the course had gone and also about something about the future. So a couple of things that have come up this week, one was about workload, and we wanted to find out from you how you found the workload on this course. Has it been too much? Has you had to put in more time than you expected to? And if so, is that okay? I mean, are you happy putting in that amount of time, or should we tune things so that you have to do a bit less work? We hope you'll say that you're happy with doing the amount of work, but maybe we should estimate a bit longer for some of the pieces of particularly the assessments. As far as the assessments go, we made a deliberate decision to make things a bit more open-ended than we did in the functional programming MOOC. Now, I realise with the second, we perhaps made things a bit too open-ended, and in the future runs, we'll focus that, perhaps make it more staged than we had in the past. But again, we'd like your feedback on what you think about assessments. Should they be very tightly tied down? Should they be open-ended, or should we try and perhaps stage them to make them a bit more open-ended, but with a bit more structure? Comments about this and anything else you wanted to say about the course, please put them in the comments on the final step of the course, so where this video is linked from. That will be really helpful, and it will be a chance for you to put the comments in there permanently, but also to react to other people's comments and get a discussion going around the way the course had run. It's better doing that than sending them directly to us, because then it means that you can see what other people are saying and get a sense about whether you agree with that, whether you disagree, whether you're indifferent. The final thing I wanted to say is that we're in the process of actively planning to do a third course. What we're trying to do is build what FutureLearn call a program, so you have a number of courses plus a certification at the end. And we're hoping to put a third course and certification on towards the end of this year. Now in the third course we would look at OTP in more detail. We'd like to involve more people, much less of me, much more of other people, talking about war stories, about using Erlang in practice and so on. And the final thing we'd like to ask you to do in the comments is to, if you have some thoughts about things you would like us particularly to include in the course, could you please put suggestions for those again on the comments page. So thanks very much for taking part. We've enjoyed following you, we've enjoyed seeing your interactions, we've enjoyed having the feedback from you, and so we hope you'll be joining us for this future course if and when we get that off the ground. We'll certainly let you know if and when that's happening. As I say, we'd be hoping to do something towards the end of this year. Okay, thanks very much and goodbye.